welcome back to the RONALD Show, and today we are doing the new Ronald McDonald obby. Oh, look at this. Yay! Okay, max height. What are we doing here? Who are you? I don't care. Oh man, he actually talks. I'm gonna jump over you. Yo, we have like... Hi, I'm Lucas. Oh man, I only got to tell he's Lucas. Hey! I don't want to talk to you. Don't make me. Oh no, my Happy Meal. What did you do with my Hey? That wasn't fair. You can't make that. So the skip stage is only like 5 Robux. I don't want to skip a stage. I want to see how this. No, I don't want to double jump. Actually, that would help though, but no. Can we? Do we have to buy it? Ow. I was about to die. No, wait, what? Why am I going so fast? Alright, the trick is not to go fast. You McDonald's! I have a feeling we're going to go inside the building after this. It's always the last part, but I fail. Here we go. Here we go. There's no escape? Hey, Ronald. Ooh, spiky sword. I am the king on Puss in Boots. Yeah, you think you're just so smart, Ronald? I'm going through here. Is there any jump scares, I'm wondering? Whoa, this is not like Ronald McDonald. The game I played in Tennessee. This is much different. This is new, by the way, a new game that just got added. Maybe this month? A couple days ago? I don't know. Wait, what? But I want Robux! That wasn't... I want Robux! I didn't even know it was Robux until I stepped on it. Oh, give me burgers. Is this even a horror game or what? Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I don't want to touch those boxes, man. But I have to. I feel like every time I step on them, they grill up and then I'm going to get fried. Oh! That was a good joke! Oh, he just touched the first one. Let's give me the first. Let's give me the first. No! Alright, first, second, no. Second, first, no. Second, first, you okay? Second, first, second. Okay, we know how this works. So second, first, and then second. There we go. What? Okay, so this is not a horror game, I'm pretty sure. Here we go, checkpoint. Oh, wait, what? Was I supposed to touch the box? Whoa, wait, what? This is... Oh, we just skipped it. We just went through there. We just skipped it. We skipped the ice cream one, though. I thought that was what we were supposed to do, though. That was cool. I did 2 times, and I wasn't even trying to do this. Oh, the first time. Oh! No! I didn't mean that. Wait, what? That was a bit weird. Yo, I've got hacked too many times in Roblox. It sounds like Milan Morphle music. Like the Stop Bandits? Okay, oh, burgers and fries, burgers and frights. Yeah, that's a good game, burgers and frights. Whoop, whoopie, whoopie, whoop, oh, good. No! Got that. No, I'm not being happy, man. No. Okay, thank you. It's good and bad that I have this kind of jump speed or something. Because I go faster than usual. And do I, though? But sure. Hey, did I get the checkpoint? Or did he get the checkpoint? Whee! I'm going in the girls' bathroom. Although this is a family restroom or something. What is happening back here? Wait, what? Oh, no, I keep pressing R. Oh, what is this? Oh, someone pooped and forgot to flush. Whoa! Why am I so tiny all of a sudden? No, man, it's a maze. I'm awful at mazes. They just keep going on. Bro, I hate mazes. This is why I hate mazes, man. It's not gonna work. There's always something bad happening in mazes, and I know it. Nope, not that way, although it does get easier. Going this way now, this way, this way. Yes! Whoa! I didn't know that. Good thing I got the checkpoint, or else I would have to do that all again. Hey, you were saying. God, go. Oh, I should have gone. Which I didn't. Wait, am I going back? I feel like I've done this before. Oh, it's different. I've always had trouble going into vents, man. After playing 5 Nights at Freddy's, I just, don't like vents. Whoa! It's that close? That was like far away. What am I? It was like a second later. What is this over here, man? Oh man, I want to escape. McDonald's! Oh, we're on top of the building. Ronald, I'm sorry. This is why you should never disobey Ronald. McDonald, even. Because you know what's going to happen. He's gonna EXE hack you. And I don't want that to happen at all. And this seems like a nice, fun hobby, but no, it's not. Okay. No, it's not, and that's my name up there, the Romeo Show. I don't want to listen to you. I only know that your name is Lucas. No! Ah! Burgers and fries! Ronald! There's no escape. You gotta block everything, Ronald. Oh, look at that booty. I'm making fun of you. Oh, the elevator's gonna break. Wait a second, can we just stay in the... Okay, I am speed running this, man. Are we going higher? Are we supposed to go? Oh, here we go. Checkpoint. What is this? Why is there a huge donut? Donuts don't belong there. They belong to Dunkin' Donuts. They don't belong in Ronald McDonald's storage. Well, I don't even know. Well, there is ice cream now. Vanilla ice cream and chocolate and stuff. Oh, here we go. There we go. There we go. No! Wait, I got the checkpoint! Please tell me that counted. Please, please, please. Yes! Whoa! Oh, no! Whoa! What just happened? Okay. We might want to hurry up here. There we go. Here we go. Burgers and flights. But I thought the burgers kill you. Like, never eat a burger at Ronald McDonald's shop at 3 a.m. Never. Climb up the pole and try not to get electrified? What does that mean? Which pole? Oh, that pole. Oh, like, don't get electrocuted. Yeah, because this is like the pole. Woo! I got electrocuted. I'm sorry, man. But I disobeyed your rules. Wait, where are we? Oh, here. Okay. Bam! Take me for a ride, car. I don't want to go up here. Doesn't seem safe. This is not safe at all anyway. Oh, man, this is hard. If I fall, I'm doomed. I gotta focus right now, so I'm not saying much. And come on. Come on. Come on. It's the end! Don't fail. Don't fail. Whoa. Ah! Yeah, totally nothing to see here. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.